Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily enable cover to sleep on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first let's head over to the settings. So what we gotta do is, let me quickly grab it. We need to scroll all the way down to settings. Now here we need to go to the display, and here right at the bottom we will have the cover to sleep. Now to enable it we only need to press the switch once with our finger, as you guys can see. Now we can basically enable it and disable it, but we want it enabled. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.